Now select the, now delete it. Delete the model. Import this. Choose this. Center. Here. Make a design. Change design size. Height. Okay. Move this. Okay, you can see this. It will mark as this. Now here in two, make a design. 70 height. Then see this. This is the model size. Model size. We need to make a 300 100. Make a 300 100 design. Then center. This square is for locate the model. Make a square and mark on your table. Then this is for fix this model location. Then this project, this you can directly mark. Preview mark. It will mark here and here. This cell, first mark this one, then mark this